All right, so we're very excited because we got our first shipment. We ordered a couple Golden Horse skates as kind of our testers. So we just got our package. It came really fast. Like we weren't sure how the process was going to be. We've never ordered from them before.
What a cute picture.
When did we order? We ordered it last week, and they're already here, 2 pairs. Comes in this nice box, and we're just gonna do a little opening video.
So for those of you that don't know, Golden Horse customizes your skate to your foot measurements and pictures. So yeah. I'm really excited to try these.
We always have, sizing is always, can be an issue, especially if you have wider feet. Some of the skates, they just don't really accommodate the wider foot that well. So what's really cool about Golden Horse is not only do they do the length of your foot exactly to your measurements, but they look at the width as well. And you can order narrow, medium, or wide. So there's really no problem with fit with these skates. And they look beautiful online, and we can't wait to see what they look like. Let's see which one is which. This is red. For you, that's yours. Mine. It's like Christmas.
I feel like it's Christmas.
I know. Okay, so let's open up our boxes and see what I like. So these are Suede boots.
Oh my god, they're pretty.
Really pretty.
Ooh. Okay, guys.
This is really exciting. Oh, they're so soft.
Ooh.
Wow.
They are so soft.
Okay.
You guys look. Oh,
This is so cool.
I feel like you can't. Can you tell how?
They're like really pretty. Oh, they are padded. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited to put this on. So I got the tan color and Jen got the red. Ooh, they have a nice wheel spin out of the box. That one needs to be loosened a little bit.
You can do this.
I did contact them though, and they said that we can, pretty soon they're gonna have a bunch of different color wheels that you can choose from. So that's gonna be really exciting when we can add those options to the website. And then this little charm is like very cute.
It's very cute.
I like that. Little horse. Mine is on the other one. Should we put them on? I hope. Well, my foot just slides right in, and the back of that softness in the back, that's really nice. I really like that. There's like this velour kind of lining. It's very, very nice.
Mine fit pretty much perfectly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had a feeling that you got the right size and they sent me one that was a little bit big, and that's...
These feel just right off the bat, they feel really sturdy, and yes. I'm in love because they're so soft, and the ankle is like stiff, but it's not like so stiff where it's annoying.
There's like no part of my foot that's uncomfortable right now.
Yeah, it doesn't even feel like I'm on skates.
It doesn't feel like I'm on skates at all.
Yeah.
That's kind of like crazy.
I'm in love. This is so